Hey guys, your boy Yashvir here, Yashvir Gaming, okay, Yashvir Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple solution on your Dell Inspiron laptop, or it can be any kind of laptop, okay, any model number. Let's see, as you can see here, at first, as you can see what it does, see the LED, it flashes here, as you can see, wait for it, and as you can see, flashes 4 times yellow and then it becomes white. As you can see, the adapter is connected to the laptop and it is charging. Okay, so but I'm getting this issue. Okay, at first I was scared. I was thinking that maybe my battery was damaged, or maybe this was an overheating issue. But no, this is not an overheating issues, because I tried this. Okay, as you can see, this is a laptop cooler. Okay, I've been using a laptop cooler as well to cool the laptop. Okay, so there's no much heat going off. Okay, but still I tried to replace the battery and I keep getting this. Okay, as you can see, wait for it. Okay, and it flashes yellow and then it becomes white. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna also tell you what's the problem. Okay, so the real problem for this, guys, is your RAM. Okay, the problem is your RAM. Okay, sometimes on laptop your RAM gets loosened. Okay, so all you have to do is to turn off your PC. Okay, turn off the laptop. Okay, slide it back. Okay, open the back panel and then you'll have to reset your RAM. Okay, so as you can see, I'm about to turn this off. Alright, I'm going to power shut down. Alright, okay, the next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this adapter cable. Okay, this is a power plug, and then I'm close the laptop lid. All right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip the laptop and I'm gonna unscrew the back panel of the laptop, and I'm also gonna show you how you're gonna open the back side of the laptop and how you're gonna remove your RAM and see if it was loosened. Okay, if your RAM was loosened up, so you'll have to reset your RAM. Okay, so you can also switch ports. Okay, take the RAM from port A to port B. Okay, switch them vice versa. Alright, and this will definitely fix the problem. Alright, so next thing what you're gonna do, you're gonna remove the battery. Okay, make sure to remove the battery out. Next, we're gonna have to unscrew this. Alright. Here we go. So you have to take the RAM out. Okay. Alright, so this was here, so I'm gonna use this one in here. Okay, and then put this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna swap the places. Alright, after replacing that, so we're gonna close this lid back in. And then we're gonna rescrew this. Alright, and the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna plug the battery back inside. Okay, now we're gonna flip this back and all you gotta do is to try power your laptop on, and this should fix the problem. Alright, so as you can see guys, the problem is now fixed.